In 2023, we unveiled a brand new City Hall. In 2025, the San Juan Fire Department opened its state-of-the-art fire station. This year, our Parks and Recreation Department will soon have a new place to call home. Welcome to the San Juan Parks and Recreation Complex. Let's check out some of the different amenities it has to offer. Soccer fields, a walking trail, a duck pond, an outdoor basketball court, exercise equipment, a splash pad, outdoor bathrooms, and a barbecue area. But that's not all. Let's take a closer look at what's inside this new facility. We'll have a lobby, conference rooms, administrative offices, and a gymnasium with 12 hoops capable of hosting multiple games at once. This is only the beginning. Stay tuned for more updates.